Today we see what? Arithmetic operators. What?
Arithmetic operators.
These operators are nothing but a plus, minus, multiplication, division, percentage sign. This is called as percentage. This is this is nothing but a sign is a caret, but it is a power. It is what here? Power. First is the addition. Here operation equals to here. Here first equal to. This is what here? C3 plus what here? E3. First is equals to, then C3 plus what here? E3. Press enter here. This is nothing but 300. Equal to what? C4 minus what? E4. Now see here. This is what here? C5 multiply by what? E5. Right? Now see here. This is next is what here? C6 divides what here? E6. Okay. Now next is what here? Percentage sign. Next is what here? Percentage sign. Here what we enter automatically suffix we need a percentage. Yes. क्या होना हमको वहाँ पे? Percentage. Click on this percentage first, and this is 5 here. Means what here? This 5%. Here equal to what? 100 multiply by what here? 5%. What here? 100 5%. 100 का 5% कितना आएगा? It's a 5. It's what here? 5. Okay. If you give here 50, 50 का 5% कितना आएगा? 2.5. Okay. Now see here next function is nothing but a power. Here 2 and this is what here? 2. Okay. Here equal to 2 to the power caret sign. This is caret sign. 2 to the power 2 means what? 2 to the power 2 means what? 2 to the power 2 means what? It's a 2, 4. Yes, a 4. 2 to the power 3 means what? Yes, it's a 8. 2 to the power what? 4 means what? It's a 16. So on. Here, this is called as what here? Arithmetic operators. This is called as what here? Arithmetic operator. Now see here, this is another example of this arithmetic operator. Here values are given equal to first what here? A plus what? B. Means A3 plus B3. Yeah. Equal to what? This minus this. Okay. Equal to what? Equal to what? This multiply by what? This. Okay. Now this is a division equals to what here? This divide by what? This. Okay. Now here this is what here? 100. Here we need a suffix of what here? Percentage. That's here click on this percentage of 10. Okay. Now equal to what? 100 multiply by 10%. What's the 10% of 100? What's the 10% of 100? It's a 10. Yes. And 3 to the power 2 is equals to what here? First is a 3 to the power 2. What here? Okay, it's a 9. Now once this is another example of what here? Arithmetic operator. This is another example of what? Arithmetic operator. Now this is here. Next is the relational operators. Next is what? Yes. Now this operator is nothing but a less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, equal to, and this is a sign is called as what here? Not equal to. Now see here, this is Abhi and this is what here? Deepak. Suppose the Abhi age today is it is a 70. कितना एज है इसका? And दीपक का एज कितना है? 12. Now here equal to sign first. Here Abhi less than Deepak. Yes, it's a true or false? False or true? Abhi less than Deepak. Yes, it's a false or true? Yes, Parvati. It's a what here? Abhi से वाई कितनी है? 70 and Deepak से वाई कितनी है? 12. 70 less than 12. It is what here? False. Right? Here Abhi less than or equals to what? Deepak. It is also false. Equal to Abhi greater than Deepak. Yes, it's a true. It's Abhi is greater. Yes, yes, yes. Equal to Abhi greater than or equals to what? And it is a true. And both are equal है का? दोनों equal है का? नहीं है. And both are not equal. Both are not equal. It's also true. दोनों भी equal नहीं है. Right? Now this is called as what here? Relational operator. This is called as what here? Relational operator. Our channel is what here? Programming Master. Like, subscribe, bell icon. Thank you.